Have you tried to turn off voicemail service on newish phone like iPhone 17 Pro, Google Pixel 10 Pro, Samsung S25 or similar device? Have you noticed that the voicemail keeps working even if you disable it with operator? That's because with these new devices you have to disable the voicemail both with the operator and in your phone settings. I will show you how to do that on the iPhone and with Android devices like this Google or Samsung S25 or similar. But maybe first, let me show you exactly what the problem is about. So this is iPhone 17 Pro and it currently has the voicemail service enabled. And disabling voicemail service used to be very easy. You either called your carrier or used a special short number or code to disable it. And this phone is in the UK with Vodafone, so I just call 1210 number 1210 I mean to switch the service off.
Your voicemail service has now been switched off.
And you would think, well, Marek, so that's it, yes? That's all it is about this video? Well, not exactly. Let me take my phone now and I will call this iPhone, okay?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
So, what the heck? What it is about, yes? We would say. But it looks like it still goes to voicemail, yes? But you might have noticed that this message is slightly different than your carrier, like a Vodafone message. And the fact is, if the caller actually leaves the message, you might even see it as a text on your screen. That's because all those big companies now keep adding those AI features that are supposed to help us, even if you don't necessarily need that help. And the problem is that these phone settings are enabled by default, so you have to switch them off to have the voicemail fully disabled. So how do we disable voicemail service then? The process looks a bit different on iPhone, on Google Pixel and on Samsung and other Android phones, so let's maybe start with the iPhone. To disable that voicemail service on the phone itself, you have to go to Settings, to the Apps, at the bottom of the screen it should be, and then you scroll down all the way to the letter P, to the Phone application. And in that Phone application, you scroll down again to a service called Live Voicemail. And this is not operator voicemail. This is not your carrier like a Vodafone voicemail. This is a service running locally on your iPhone. And as you can see, it says answer the call before it ends, which means your phone will pick up that call regardless of your voicemail settings with your carrier like Vodafone. So you just say turn it off and that should be job done on the iPhone. Now on Google Pixel, you click that handset icon as if you wanted to call somebody, and then at the top left you've got that three lines like a hamburger menu, I think it's called. You click on those three lines and then you go to Settings. And in those settings, you go to that Take a Message option. And you can even see here that it says your carrier voicemail handles missed calls when your phone is off or out of network. But let's think about it. That means when your phone is not off, this application will override your settings and simply the phone itself will take that message. And it also says that you will see a real-time transcripts from those missed or declined calls. So the voicemail is kept not only as a voicemail, but also as a text message displayed on your phone. And this option is also enabled by default on Google Pixels at least, so you simply have to turn it off. And that should do the job. Now on the Samsungs, it's again a little bit different story. Although you access it similar way, you also click that handset icon as if you wanted to call somebody, then those little three dots in the top right corner, then you go to Settings, and in the settings you've got that text call option as well. And it's similar message, and it also says that you will see that message as a text chat. But on the Samsungs, I would go through all of those options that you have here. So also check that live translate, record calls, because maybe they are not directly related to that voicemail service, but maybe that's something you want to also switch off or on, depending on your preferences. Okay, that's it. That's a very quick video today, so I hope that helps, and thank you for watching.